Akko POM Linear, pink version. I had fairly low expectations for this switch and was pleasantly surprised. First off, like all Akko switches, they are extremely reasonably priced, around 37 cents a switch. Overall, they are like a cheap, slightly higher pitched, slightly thinner sounding Novel Keys cream. Almost half the price of NK creams. They smash it. They're a little smoother stock than NK creams, but certainly benefit from lubing, as demonstrated in my Is Lubing Worth video recently. One thing I noticed too was the consistency of the switch. It's a very clean top out and bottom out sound. The stem being marginally longer than the NK creams probably helps this a lot. Last thing of note was the spring weight, bottoming out at 53 grams, which is noticeably lighter than the creams. I give these 20 out of 30.